Test 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be just a quick recording. I wanted to do a little investigation into rotation versus transform.LookAt. What I've got here is two models. This is just sort of a face head model and a spaceship model, and they're both wired to look at these two sphere targets. And so if I run, and what that script looks like, just put on the screen, is in update. So this model behavior is bound to either the face or the spaceship, and look at just looks at the transform position of the target. So what that looks like when you run it, um, if I, let's look at the face first. So maybe we want front here, I think. So there's front. So you can see the orientation there. If I grab this target, you can see how what you're looking at is essentially the z forward vector pointing at the center of the transform, which is what you would expect it to do, right? I mean, it's like that's what you would expect LookAt to do, and same over here. The reason I did this is I thought, and I may have imagined this, that I was seeing some kind of like yaw behavior, where this, I can simulate yaw behavior, where this spaceship was doing kind of like, well, it's actually the script is overriding it right now, but where the spaceship was kind of like rotating about its z forward axis. But what we see is that more or less it does the right thing. The impetus for LookAt was the certification script where they were tilting the spaceship to the direction of movement of instantaneous velocity, and I was having to debug that. And one of the problems with that courseware was that Z forward, because they were simulating 2D, was actually down, not forward. So it was a little tricky to figure out what was going on, which is why I made this little demo script. One other feature of this demo is this blue line coming out of Z forward here, and that is this script. It's a gizmo, on-draw gizmo, set it to blue, and then draw from the center of the object to 2 times transform forward, so 2 units forward. And that's just another way to visualize forward. The other way to visualize forward is in a mode where you've got movement selected. It's the blue arrow, it's the Z forward arrow.